This course will introduce you to the corporation record in ePMX. You can establish a single corporation or multiple corporations. There is no limit to the number of corporations you can establish in ePMX. When considering multiple corporations, it's important to consider the maintenance of the data for a multi-corp setup. Although it is required to have at least one corporation, it is not required to use corporations as business entities. You can also use them as divisions, departments, locations, facilities, whatever your particular situation is. The corporation fields in ePMX can be renamed using our global dictionary to whatever your situation is. If you have multiple departments, we'll rename the corporation field to departments. Let's take a look at the area in ePMX that is covered in this module. So we're going to go to Master Files Corporation. Now, I already have a corporation created called Integrity Brands. So I only have to click on Modify to access all of this corporation's configurations. However, if you're starting new, you're going to type the name of your corporation in this field, and you're going to click on the add icon over on the right. Now, if you're utilizing our ePMX bridge to bridge invoices into your accounting software, this title needs to be listed exactly as it appears in your AP software. Once you click on Modify or Add, it opens up all of this area where you can establish the configurations that are appropriate for your organization. These configurations are corporation-wide, not site-wide. If you want to establish a multi-corp setup with common configurations, there's another area in the software where we do that, and that is system information. In the system information area, there's a common tab, and this is where you can establish a few site-wide configurations. The options in the System Information Corporation tab are limited compared to what you can configure in the corporation record. So it's important to carefully consider how to configure your corporations. That being said, when it comes to the corporation configuration, it is easy to change something that is not working for you. So the first three tabs here in the corporation record, Corp Info 1, and Corp Info 2, they relate to your basic configurations as well as your purchasing configurations. The REQ Info tab relates directly to requisitions. How do you want ePMX to handle requisitions for your company? The REC Info tab relates to receiving. AP Info relates to invoicing. INV Info relates to inventory. And Contracts relates to the Contracts module, which you can find in the Master Files menu. This module contains a series of 8 sessions discussing the corporation record to help you configure your corporation records.